Today we'll be using Adobe Capture. It's a free app and you will need to create an account. But once you do, you're ready to go. For this activity, we'll be using the shape function, but trust me, there's a lot here, so play when you have a chance. I took this picture of a drawing that I had in my sketchbook. Let's see what happens. Using Adobe Shape, I open up the photo and play with the slider, adjusting what areas will be set to black or white. I'm learning now that even though I thought it was a good photo, it wasn't. The lighting's not great and there's too many shadows on the image. So I'll try again. This time I took the photo outside. It might look more or less the same, but there are no shadows, no bright spots, and there's consistent lighting. Again, I open the photo and play with the slider. This time, the drawing works. I click OK, and then use the eraser to get rid of areas that I don't need. Saving the shape to my library, I can now export the new rendering to my camera roll, and I'm ready to go. What's next? Well, that depends on what you're trying to do. Adobe Capture's Shape is one of my favorite apps for design. There are a lot of possibilities.